We just received in the mail the A-10 Thunderbolt II 64 millimeter EDF. I did get the PNP version. I ended up buying a smart receiver for this one, so we'll open that up as well. All right, looking good so far. Everything is well packed. All right, so here we go. All right, so flip this over. Oh yeah, that looks sweet. Look at that, that looks sweet. Loving the box. All right. Looks like all the pieces are nicely packaged in foam around our foam. All right, yeah, so it looks really good. You can see there, everything's neatly packed. It's looking really good. You should check this out. Pretty cool. Can you see it? Lots of tape. All right. So here we have the missiles. These look really nice. Additional drop tanks, missiles. Oh, what's this? Ah, yes, it's one of the sensor pods. It's nice. All right, we'll keep all that wrapped up for a minute. All right, instructions. Yep. Definitely gonna want those. All right, so there we go. Got the wings, yeah? Very nice, looks good. Set those over here for a minute. Here we go. Now we have the fuselage. Got a canopy. Looks really nice. Nice pilot. Oh yeah, there we go. That looks really nice. The 64 millimeter twin EDF. This looks really, really nice. The retractable landing gear. It's looking good. Everything we expected and more. Alright, so we have our horizontal stabilizer, got our rudders. Alright, oh, that looks really nice. Okay, well, I think we've unboxed the A-10. That was pretty straightforward, not too many pieces. We'll move it up. Alright, so there we go. There's that guy. Here we have our fuselage. Our pilot. That's cool. It's got a nice little snap in. And the wing. So not too many pieces to put together. That'll be really cool. And we've got our optional parts that snap onto the wings. Let's see. And what else do we have in here? Just like a couple no-step decals and 4 hex screws. All right, well, this should be pretty straightforward to put together. Oh, let's see. I almost missed a couple Sidewinder pods. So there we go. That is officially everything. All right, cool.